Hello and welcome back to Eat to Live Strong. And if you're new to the channel, guess what? I wholeheartedly welcome you to Eat to Live Strong, where there's a lot of great things going on. Today I'm going to show you how I made my fall tree using items that was purchased from the Dollar Tree. It's easy and it can be used over and over again. Starting with duct tape, glue sticks, planter, rocks, pool noodles, and garland. Let's get started. The rocks are used to balance the tree out once you get it all onto the planter. You are now going to take the pool noodles. You're going to measure it according to the planter and tear it up step by step using the duct tape to enclose the pool noodles. Again, you're going to tear the pool noodles according to the height that you desire your tree to become. This process is going to be the same throughout this entire project. Just make sure you remember to measure them out step by step until it's tiered to the level of your liking. And now that I have gotten all my pool noodles according to my height that I'm desiring for my fall tree, I'm now going to take the time to individually wrap the pool noodles in garland. This step is going to go throughout the entire process. So just continue to do this over and over again until you have reached the height of your liking for your tree. And now you're going to take the hot glue and you're going to put it on top of the planter, laying your pool noodle on top. And then the next layer will be done the same way, except you're going to put the glue on the top of the garlands. And you're going to do this all the way till you have reached the height of your choice. have it. Isn't she a beauty? Remember, you can always change the decorations on this tree for whatever your occasion may be. Thank you so much, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please review the full video, leave me a genuine comment about the video, thumbs me up, and share me out, because sharing is caring. Then don't forget to go below and subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that you can be notified of all my videos when they are uploaded. Thank you again for joining me today. See you next time. Love you long time. Bye-bye now.